Looking to create a beautiful, high-performing WordPress website? Our expert designers are here to bring your vision to life. Whether you need a sleek business site, an online store, or a creative portfolio, we specialize in designing custom WordPress website. We create unique, on-brand designs that capture your style and goals. Your site will look great on any device, from desktops to mobiles. We ensure your site is set up for success with on-page SEO, making it easier to rank higher in search engines. We integrate WooCommerce for smooth, secure shopping experiences. Our sites are built for speed and include top-notch security features to keep your data safe. Let us help you build the perfect WordPress website that stands out, engages visitors, and supports your business growth. For your digital marketing, web development, and e-commerce needs, please visit us at www.zionike.net. Thank you for watching Zionike digital marketing videos. Please check our channel for other exciting and informative videos. Like, share, and subscribe for many more to come soon. Bye!